How y'all doing today? I hope everybody's doing great. This is coming to you from McGhee's Clearing and Grading. We finished this project on February the 24th, 2022. The landowner had hired us to come in and repair a road which was between two lakes. As you'll see, the road was all rutted up, it was full of mud, and it was to the point where it was actually dangerous to even drive across this road due to it being in the middle of two lakes. So he had us come in, work the road, smooth it up, and place gravel all the way across the roadway. Here's the roadway. It's all muddy. We've had a lot of rain. Roads in need of some gravel, so we come over here with the skid steer, kind of grade it. Gravel and all. You see how it's kind of sinking down with the skid steer right here. Look how bad it is. Let it go. Kind of like what it looks like right here. Well, as you saw in the previous video, he was on the skid steer. He was going back and forth, working the dirt, working the mud, smoothing it up. And you can see all the mud holes right here that he's having to smooth up and everything. And he's really getting it ready so we'll be able to drive the dump truck across this pond dam between these two lakes safely while we spread the gravel with the dump truck. Now the videos that you just watched, that was the first load of gravel we did. It went roughly about halfway across the pond dam, and we had a little over 18 tons of gravel on the dump truck at that time. Now we're back at the office right here, and we're loading up another 18 tons, which will go back to the job site, and this load right here will finish up the job on going across the pond dam. Okay, we've made it back to the job site with a second load of gravel. We're about to dump and spread this second load right here, which will complete the job. Well, now that we've got the second load of gravel dumped and spread across the pond dam, I'm just kind of going back and forth, letting you see what we've done. There's no mud, there's no standing water, it's all smooth gravel, and the job is complete.